Welcome to the Navigating Biodata Catalyst video series. Videos in this series span topics across the study and data lifecycles. This video will discuss how to apply, manage, and use file tags to find, organize, and subset data files on BDC 7 Bridges. After watching this tutorial, you'll understand how to add or modify tags for files within your BDC projects and use the tags to identify, organize, and run workflows on files. To follow along with this video, we recommend that you know the keywords that you'd like to apply to the files as tags. If you're unsure of what keywords to use, helpful examples will be provided later in this video. File tags are a way to visually track your file and make it easier to identify, sort, filter, and organize your files. File tags consist of short keywords or strings that describe the file or its content. While you can choose what tagging strategy works best for your project, commonly used tags include the project identifier, participant identifier, assay used to generate the data, the file extension, and whether the data is considered raw or derived from additional processing. For projects associated with a consortia, we recommend that you review the data management plan to determine if there are any specific file tag requirements. File tags are managed from the BDC 7 Bridges web interface. However, if you plan to upload files using the 7 Bridges command line interface, or CLI, you can add tags at the time of upload. It's recommended to first view the setup and configuration of the command line interface video if you plan to use this method. The link to the video is provided in the video description. To manage tags from the BDC interface, you first need to access a list of project files. In BDC 7 Bridges, select a project for which you have write access. Then, from the upper navigation menu for the project, select Files from the Files page. You can add or edit tags, filter files by their tags, or remove tags. To add tags to one or more files, select the desired files using the checkbox to the left of the file name. Then, click Edit Tags. In the pop-up box that appears, enter at least one tag. You can add multiple tags by separating tag names using the Enter key. Any previously used tags in the current project will be auto-suggested. Click Add to finish tagging. When you apply a new tag to your files, they're added to a list of already supplied tags. After adding tags on the Files page, refresh the page for the change to be visible. You can add tags to a single file from its page. On the page for the new file, select Tags and add them by typing them in the dialog box or selecting an existing tag. You can select multiple files all at once by filtering tags within a project. From the Files tab, click Tags to set your filters. Use the checkboxes to select your desired filter or filters. Files matching your filter are displayed in the list. For example, an investigator wants to find all their files from a whole genome DNA sequencing analysis with the tag WGS. From the Files tab, they select Tags to show a list of their existing file tags. Use the search function or scroll to find WGS and select the checkbox next to WGS. Then click Apply to show the files with this tag. Multiple tags can be applied when filtering files. For example, after clicking the Tags button a second time, you can add the VCF tag to identify all variant call format files in the project that were produced by whole genome sequencing. Files matching your filters are displayed in the list. Select Clear Filters to perform another search. Furthermore, by including study and participant tags as recommended by the NHLBI BDC Data Management Core, you can use file tags to search for all data files in the project associated with individual participants or samples. By selecting the tag for RMIP_001_014, You can see all project files associated with this specific research participant. To remove tags from files in your project, click the name of your desired file to select it. Click Tags. In the pop-up box, click the X next to the tags you want to delete. Click Apply to finish removing tags. If you plan to upload files via the Seven Bridges Command Line Interface, or CLI, you can add tags at the time of upload. If you haven't set up the CLI, refer to Installing the Seven Bridges Command Line Interface video in this series. Appending the -tag flag to the upload command will apply the specified tag to the file. The -tag flag can be used multiple times to apply additional tags. Viewing the file on the web interface shows that the tags have been applied. This concludes the tutorial on managing file tags in BDC. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You should now know how to create and modify file tags on the web interface or the command line interface. For further support, please review the guidance documentation linked in the video description below. For more information about navigating BDC 7 Bridges, please consider watching other tutorials in this series accessible on the BDC YouTube channel. For additional assistance, please submit a ticket to the BDC Help Desk at biodatacatalyst.nhlbi.nih.gov/contact.